The key to effective onboarding is providing new employees with a clear path to success. For busy managers, this can be difficult. SalesScreen allows managers to reinforce processes and let new hires focus on key metrics that get them hitting goals faster. So let's find out how SalesScreen can help. For new hires, consistent coaching is key. Set up regular coaching sessions to give them the attention that they need. Programs are another great way to keep everyone on track with specific goals, like onboarding. You can create your own program or choose from one of our templates. Templates make it super easy to track the different goals across the entire team. Create an onboarding program so you can use it with every new hire and to save time and get them ramped up faster. Pick a template and set some preliminary questions for you and your new hire to answer prior to the call. This helps set a foundation for the conversation and it keeps everyone on track. Pull in their scorecard so you can have all of their data at your fingertips to reference in your coaching session. You can even create follow-up tasks that will live on their homepage and in the coaching session itself, so action items are never missed. Giving new hires key metrics to focus on makes it easier to coach, but also for them to start delivering faster. Scorecards zero in on the most important activities and tie these actions to results. Highlight the activities that you know are the stepping stones to being fully ramped and with clear, attainable goals for them to strive for. Take the guesswork out of goal attainment and instantly see where a new employee might need help. Scorecards make it easy to hold your team accountable to process, goals, and activity targets. So there you have it. Reach out to one of our gamification experts today to learn more or head to our demo center to explore more interactive solutions. Not everyone is inspired by the same reward, and not every player is excited to be on top of the leaderboard. Take a tour of achievements in our reward shop to see how SalesScreen can help you engage your middle performers. Achievements are a great way to engage middle performers. Create achievements for any metric or activity so they can unlock them for badges and earn coins. Help your middle performers accomplish bigger goals by breaking down large goals into sizable chunks, and encourage those on your team who aren't incentivized by being at the top of the leaderboard. Create user, team, or even company-wide achievements and get everyone excited to unlock badges that will live on their profile. You can leverage our vast array of integrations to create any achievement you can imagine. The SalesScreen team loves using our Strava integration for this. Each achievement has a history log and a leaderboard, but the real star is streaks. Once you get on a streak, you'll do anything to keep it. Watch the competitive fire ignite in your teams while they compete against themselves to maintain their streak. The reward shop is also a fun way to engage those middle performers. Stock your shop with free rewards like sleeping in on a Monday or making a coworker bring you a coffee. As you can see, we love to redeem our coins for company swag. Coins won from competitions, achievements, or endorsements can be redeemed here for real-life rewards. Spotlight newly added or highly coveted rewards in the highlighted rewards section. End users can also see their pending requests, coins earned, and what activities or achievements have coins attached to them. Let your team tell you what rewards they want to work for with our suggested reward option. Get to know your team better by encouraging your middle performers to ask for what they want. As an admin, you can see the coin allocation for your entire team. This is great for larger teams trying to keep track of coins being distributed and redeemed. The coin budget allows admins to separate personal coins earned from coins meant to be distributed to the team and gives visibility to the real-life budget being used. Reach out to one of our gamification experts today to learn more or head to our demo center to explore more interactive solutions. In the digital era, creating a connected team can be a challenge, but it's also imperative to your team's success. Let's walk through how SalesScreen can help foster connection across your team. The feed is where all team activities are shared. Competition updates, battles, rewards unlocked, and milestones hit are all captured in our dynamic, real-time feed. This makes it easy for teams to know what's happening across the team, from birthdays and work anniversaries to closed sales and competition wins. Your team can interact with everything on the feed by liking, commenting, and even leaving funny GIFs. Custom filters also make this even easier for managers to see their team's most important activities and events. Keep excitement and morale high with celebration videos that go off for milestone events in the app, mobile, and on TV screens in the office. Celebrations are a great way for those who aren't always eager to shout about their success to be recognized for their accomplishments. It also gives the team an opportunity to recognize their teammates' wins. Keep your teams connected and excited by giving them a way to engage with each other, their wins, and meaningful milestones. Reach out to one of our gamification experts today to learn more, or head to our demo center to explore more interactive solutions.